Snapchat error c14a. So if you want more tutorials like this, click the subscribe button and that bell notification on for more videos like this. So what we are going to do is go to your settings and go to app management and onto the app list. So what we are going to do is going to find Snapchat. So once we were able to find Snapchat, first thing to do is force stop. So after force stop, go to the data usage and clear the app data. And then you would go to battery usage. And what we are going to do is allow background activity. So this will not restrict the app from anything. And the next thing to do after doing that, on the Snapchat options, we are going to additional settings. So once we are in the additional settings, just look for date and time, and the time should be automatic just here, or click on the network provided time. So this will actually fix minor problems on your Snapchat. I hope this helps and see you.